Imagine creating a full AI music video with a consistent character, cinematic scenes, and perfect lip sync, without filming anything and without doing everything manually. Before we start, here's a quick preview of the AI music video this method can create.
I was quiet, I was patient in the dark, carrying the weight inside my heart. Every tear felt like a silent prayer, but the fire in my soul was always there. They tried to tell me, baby, know your place, but I was born with rhythm in my veins. From the dust I rise again, feel the drum, it's calling my name. I'm all hiding who I am, I'm stepping out, I understand. The rhythm moves my destiny, tonight the world will hear me sing.
And the interesting part is that this entire video was created using a simple automated workflow. After posting my AI automation series, someone actually requested a tutorial on how to create AI music videos using the same method. So in this video, I'm going to break down the entire process step by step. Now, let's start with the first step, which is generating the music for our AI music video. If you already have a song you want to use, you can skip this part and move to the next step. But if you don't have a song, don't worry, we can easily generate one using ChatGPT. All you need to do is copy the prompt I'm about to show you and paste it into ChatGPT. This prompt simply tells ChatGPT to create a 2-minute 30-second Afrofusion pop song with a female vocal, a catchy chorus, emotional verses, and strong replay value. It also asks ChatGPT to write the full lyrics for us. Once ChatGPT generates the lyrics, the next step is to turn those lyrics into music using Suno AI. Open a new tab in your browser and search for Suno AI. Tap on it and sign in. Once you're on the dashboard, it will look something like this. On the left-hand side, click on Create. You'll see two options, Simple Mode and Custom Mode. Select Custom Mode, then scroll down to the lyrics section and paste the lyrics that ChatGPT generated for us earlier. Scroll down and choose any style you like from the list. Or if you want, you can ask ChatGPT to generate a style for you. Type the title of your song in the title box. Once everything is ready, click Create and wait a few seconds, usually under a minute, for Suno AI to generate your music. Suno AI will generate 4 versions of your song. 2 of them are free and ready to download, while the other 2 are part of the paid version. The paid versions usually sound even better, and if you're serious about your music, upgrading only costs $10 per month. For the free versions, listen to both. If one sounds good, click the 3 dots beside it, select Download, choose MP3 format, and save it to your device. That's it, your music is ready to use in your AI video. Now that our music is ready, the next step is to create the main character for our music video, a female pop singer who will appear in all the scenes. We already have our prompt ready, so we're going to head back to ChatGPT and paste it. This prompt tells ChatGPT to create a realistic female pop singer with long, straight, stylish hair, a modern black stage outfit with glamorous makeup, and cinematic lighting in ultra-detailed 4K quality. Once the image prompt is ready, we'll copy it, then open a new tab, search for Google Image FX. Sign in with your Google account, and below, you'll see the description box. Paste the prompt we just generated from ChatGPT. Select the aspect ratio you want for your image, then click Generate. And just like that, voila, our reference image is ready. Now that our reference image is ready, the next step is to create all the scenes for our music video. Remember, a music video isn't just one clip of the artist. We need different scenes, backgrounds, and actions to make it feel complete. Some shots also need the singer's mouth clearly visible for lip syncing. So we're going to head back to ChatGPT and use a prompt to generate 12 detailed music video scene prompts. Each prompt keeps our main character consistent, same hair, outfit, and face, but places her in different settings. Once ChatGPT generates these prompts, the next step is generating all the images without manually copying and pasting each one by one. To do this, we'll use a helpful tool. Open your browser and search Chrome Web Store. Once you're in, use the search bar to find Auto Whisk and add it to your extensions. Then, head back to Google Image Effects, tap on your extensions, and enable Auto Whisk. Next, select the language for the extension. I'll choose English and then select the version. I'm using version 7.6 for this tutorial. Here is what the interface looks like. On the dashboard under Control, you'll see Prompt List. This is where we'll paste the 12 different scene prompts generated by ChatGPT. Make sure none of them have numbers. Auto Whisk will arrange everything perfectly and add numbers automatically if needed. Next, under Prompt List, select the aspect ratio you want. I'll go with 16:9. Leave image count as 1. Then, click Reference Image on the side and upload our main character image. You can also add the character's name for easy reference, then click Save Settings and go back to Control. Once everything is ready, click Start, and Auto Whisk will begin generating all the images automatically. The best part? It saves each image directly to your device, so you don't have to do anything manually. This ensures all our characters look consistent, same face, outfit, and hairstyle, exactly what we need for a professional-looking music video. Once all the images are done, the next step is to turn them into video clips. And before we can turn these images into videos, we need a video prompt to guide the animation and camera movement. This prompt tells the AI to create video animations for our generated images, including slow cinematic motion for emotional scenes, realistic lip sync for singing scenes, and energetic camera movements for the chorus. Once ChatGPT generates the prompts, the next thing we need to do is install another tool that will help us automate the video generation process. So head back to the Chrome Web Store and search for Grok Automation, then install it and add it to your extensions. After that, navigate to Grok AI. Once you're on the platform, we'll use the prompts we generated to start creating our video clips. Inside the Grok extension, under Control, you'll see different features. I've already made a video explaining how to use the text-to-video feature, but for today we'll be using frame-to-video, so go ahead and select frame-to-video. Just below that, you'll see prompt delay. Here you can either increase or reduce the value. This simply controls how long each video clip takes to generate. Scroll down a little and you'll see a section where you can upload the images we generated earlier. You can either drag and drop the images here or upload them manually. Once that's done, the next section is the prompt session. Here we're going to copy the video animation prompts that ChatGPT generated and paste them into this box. As soon as you paste them, you'll notice that each prompt is automatically divided into 6-second clips, matching the sequence of the prompts you added. Next, go to Settings. Leave most of the settings as they are. For the aspect ratio, choose any one you prefer. For download quality, select the highest available option, which is 720p. After that, click Save Settings, then go back to Control. Scroll down until you see Run, click on it, and the video generation process will begin. As soon as the video generation starts, each clip that gets generated is automatically saved directly to our device. You don't need to download them manually or go through any extra steps. As you can see, the clips are being generated one after the other, and each one is downloaded automatically. This process continues until all the 12 video animations are completed. Down here, you'll also see the completed section. Once the process finishes, all the generated clips will appear there. Now our videos are ready. You can see that some clips have different camera movements, while some are singing scenes where the character's lips are clearly visible. The next step is to generate proper lip sync for the clips where the singer is facing the camera and singing. To do that, open CapCut, then drag and drop only the clips where the character is singing directly to the camera and the mouth is visible. After that, export those clips so we can prepare them for the lip sync process. Now the next step is to make our character actually sing the music we generated. To do this, we'll be using an AI lip sync tool called LipSync.video. Go to your Chrome browser, search for LipSync.video, and sign in. Once you're inside the platform, under AI Lip Sync, you'll see a section where you can upload your video. Here we're going to upload the video we exported from CapCut, the one where our character is facing the camera and the lips are clearly visible. After uploading the video, you'll see two model options, LipSync.1 and LipSync.2. LipSync.1 is faster, but the results are not so good. LipSync.2, on the other hand, produces a much more realistic and accurate lip movement. So for this tutorial, we'll select LipSync.2 for better results. After selecting the LipSync.2 model, the next thing we need to do is upload the audio that the character will sing. However, this tool only allows us to upload audio clips up to 30 seconds at a time, so we need to prepare our audio before uploading it. To do that, we'll go back to CapCut and import the music we generated earlier. Then we'll cut out a 30-second section of the song. Once that's done, export it. Since CapCut exports it as a video file, we need to convert it back into an audio file. Open your browser and search for Online Audio Converter. Upload the file you exported from CapCut, scroll down and click Convert. When the conversion is complete, download the audio file. After downloading it, head back to LipSync.video. Now, upload the audio file we just converted. Then, click Generate. Keep in mind that this tool is not free, but it produces very realistic lip sync results. If you're serious about creating high-quality AI music videos, it's definitely worth it. Once the generation process is complete, the AI will synchronize the mouth movements perfectly with the audio, making the character sing the song naturally. The result is a clean and accurate lip sync without strange mouth movements or distortions, so the performance looks much more realistic. Once the lip sync video is ready, go ahead and download. Click the three dots beside the generated video and select Download. Now we're at the final step, which is putting everything together. Open CapCut and import all the video clips we generated, including the ones with the lip sync. Then add the music track we created earlier. From here, simply arrange the clips along the timeline, placing them in the order you want and aligning them with the music. This part doesn't require heavy editing, just drag, drop, and position the clips so the video flows naturally with the song. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement, go ahead and export the final video. And just like that, your AI music video is complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Also, feel free to check out my other videos where I share more tools and workflows like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.